Welcome back to the Antique Clock Shop. Okay, we got that New Haven 30-hour steeple clock ready to go back together. Case come out pretty good, everything glued up. So the next step's to go ahead and start putting all the parts back into it. Let's get to it. Alright, so start the movement. It's lining up good. The camera here. Start. There we go. Yeah, it came out pretty good. I was quite surprised. I thought it was going to be a total loss, but it's just dirty and that one missing. There's a pin right here. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. That wasn't pinned in there. That was what was making the movement so loose. Everything seems to be original on this. There's no stamping on the movement for, stating that's a New Haven clock movement, but everything looks original to me. I worked on quite a few of these 30-hour clocks, and everything looks pretty much like it should be. The alarm mechanism for the kitchen timer part. Oh, I was hoping that wire was going to be long enough. I'm going to have to put a different wire in here. So let's change the wire real quick. It's hard to get a hold of here. The one they had back on there, it's a copper wire. It should be a steel wire. This piece of tin plated copper, but it'll work. let's test this out, make sure it's gonna work right. Should be enough on it. Check this here. I have to stamp it. No, I shouldn't have to. It shouldn't drop. So I'm going to loosen the wire a little bit more. I can stop. Okay, there we go. Let's check it one more time. Yeah, I'll have to see if I got a steel wire. This is just trying to get this in there for the video, so everything should be steel, not copper. Well, I'll mess with that later. So let's get back to putting it back together here. Belt down here. All these little odds and ends you got to do to make everything work correctly. That works. Looks pretty good. Just get the dome back in there. Maybe this isn't the original gong on this, because I see there's a different set of holes, so maybe it's not all original like I thought. Yeah, I'd say that's been replaced. You can see the outline where the original one was, and there's more holes here, so yeah, that's not original. Let me see. Alright, let me go get the clock face, get that put on. Okay. Let's see what's this back in here. Okay, let's get the door back on it. It's hard to see that little hole there. There it is. Yeah, I had a feeling this one's going to be a little difficult to get to. Let's stand it up and see if there it is. I'll have to come up with a better nail for that. It'll work for now. Yeah, I'll get another nail like this top one. It's got a bigger head on. That's barely catching right there. Looks good. Let's get the hands on it. Oh, yes. Definitely got to put a different nail in that. Well, let's see where the strike's at. Because I had a lay on its back. There's a little rod here I can set the strike. I just need to know, guys, basically where the top of the R is. Set the hands. Use a brass pin here to pin them in. Set the clock up right.
Okay, I got it working pretty good. Got a nice beat to it. Pendulum's got a nice swing. So that's a good thing. Got this one fully restored. Alright, on to the next one. Thanks for watching.